Hello, everybody! Let's eat. Yeah, red rice. Well, that's mixed white rice and red rice. I don't know. It's not really red. It's called rice berries. Yeah, pero parang red na rin. Tapos, we have braised beef.
With bamboo.
With bamboo kasi yung ginamit kong tinamad ako mag-chop ng onion. Kaya kumuha ako ng ano ini? Dahon ng sibuyas. Yung kinuha ko yung pinakamatanda. Nginuya niya. It's tough. There you go.
Braised beef looks nice, huh?
I hope it's tender enough. I've been simmering it for an hour and a half. So, we'll see. Okie-dokie.
Nice.
It's tender enough. Ano lang to? Hula-hula na naman ako. Kasi, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko. So, nilagyan ko siya ng, pinirito ko muna siya ng very, very light. Yung mag-brown lang ba yung skin. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng soy sauce, sweet soy, mirin, oyster sauce, at saka yung sweet chili sauce. Yun. Same sukat. Pareho-pareho. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng dried garlic granules, ground pepper, black pepper, at saka star anise. Sarap.
And gum leaves.
At saka yung pinakasibuyas ko nga yung what do you call that? Spring onion.
That one. That one's a...
What's that? No. Laurel. Bay leaves. Yun.
Pulled it straight out of a koala's mouth.
Tapos, nalagyan ko ng konting water kasi pakukuluin mo matutuyo siya kaagad kapag hindi mo lagyan ng tubig. Ito naman, habang nag-concentrate siya, habang nawawala yung tubig, yung alat ng soy sauce, mga ganon, lumilitaw. So, okay na, ito lang asin. Ang sarap.
Nice, yeah. Hot though.
Itong rice, ang mixture ko dyan ay dalawang white rice, dalawang cup, yung measuring cup ng rice cooker. So, 2 cups ng white rice and then 1 cup of rice berries. Ano lang? Yung rice berries rich in fiber. Kaya, kahit hindi ka na maggulay, para ka na rin naggulay. Pero siyempre, iba yung nutrients na makukuha mo sa mga gulay. Iba pa rin talaga ang gulay. Pero kung fiber lang ang pag-uusapan, pwede na yung itong kanin na to. Ano daw? May nagsabi, kapag hinalo mo silang dalawa, the red rice prevents the white rice to get dissolved straight away.
It slows the sugar absorption.
Huh?
It slows the sugar absorption.
Ganon. Marami ako nakikita ng mga video na dinidiscuss nila yung pairing ng mga food para best mong makuha yung nutrition sa isang pagkain, may ipe-pair ka sa kanya. Kagaya na lang turmeric. Hindi pala turmeric lang. Kailangan lagyan mo siya ng pepper, black pepper. Lumalabas daw yung ano yung nasa turmeric. Basta yung power ng turmeric. Kumbaga nagiging 1,000 more powerful ang turmeric kapag ka may kuan na black pepper. O, diba? Yan. Natutuwa akong panoorin yung mga ganyan. Kasi, ano ba tayo? Na-educate tayo. Alam natin, okay na yung ganyan, kinakain natin ganon-ganon. May mas ibubuti pa pala. Ito ba yung tipong sabaw pa lang? Wala naman siya talagang sabaw. Pero yung sauce na yan, super. Ilagay mo sa rice, ibahog mo sa rice, ulam na. Ayan. Gaya ko. Nililinis ko yung pinaglagyan ko ng ulam. Lagyan pa natin ng kaunti. Ayan. Ulam na. Sarap.
Thank you, baby. I enjoyed that.
I will finish this little bit. I don't want to put it back in the fridge.
Yeah, I understand that.
So, there you go. Di ba? Sarap kaya. Sarap. It's nice, just with the sauce. Yummy.
That's what I had on my rice. I was just eating the meat because it was meat. Thank you, beautiful.
You're welcome. Well, natsambahan ko ang braised beef. Well, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Try this dish. Enjoy. Bye.